this video, we're going to learn on how you can be able to insert table of contents in your Microsoft Word document. So, before you insert a table of contents in your Word document, you have to ensure that you have inserted or you have used heading styles to all your titles for you to be able to insert table of contents automatically in your document. So the first thing we are going to do, I'm going to show you how to apply heading styles to your titles. So the first title we're going to start with is declaration. So we select or we highlight the word declaration. Then under home tab, we'll go to where heading styles is, which is right here. So we have different heading styles. We have heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, emphasis, then we have emphasis, and so on. But we're going to use heading 1 for declaration. So once you highlight your declaration, then you come and select heading 1. As you can see on our navigation pane, once you insert a heading style in your document, it will be displayed on our navigation pane. So right now we have declaration as heading 1. You can change the formattings, like let's say we want to use Arial black, size 14 is okay. Then you can change the color of your text if you want. Let's say we use black. Okay. Then we move, we scroll down to check for other titles. Acknowledgement. We repeat the same procedure. Home tab, then heading 1. It will be displayed on the navigation pane. Then repeat the same. Black. Then color to black. Also scroll down, check for other titles. We have chapter 1 and introduction. You can select chapter 1 only, then repeat the same procedure heading 1. Font type Arial black, font color black. Then when it comes to introduction is a subtitle under chapter 1. So instead of using same heading style, which is heading 1, you can decide to use heading 2 so that it will appear on the navigation pane here. It will appear as a subtopic under chapter 1. So we're going to use heading 2. As you can see, it's being highlighted as a subtitle under chapter 1. Then you can use the same font type and the font color. Then you scroll down for more chapters. So you can scroll down to make sure that each chapter is starting on a new or a fresh page. So select chapter 2. You can use heading 1. So you can see there's still difference between chapter 1. Then we have subtitle under chapter 1, which is introduction. Then we have chapter 2. Repeat the same font type, Arial black, the font color black. So we scroll down for more chapters or for more headings. So we select chapter 3, use heading 1. The font color, don't forget, that is very important. Then we have chapter 4. Which is heading 1 still. The font type, Arial black, font color black. Scroll down. Select chapter 5. Give it heading 1. The font type, Arial black, and the font color black. You scroll down to check if there's any other title that you can insert. You can see that is the end of our headings or our titles. So after making sure that you have applied heading styles to your to all your titles in your document, now we can be able now to insert. We can be able now to insert the table of contents. So usually table of content comes after acknowledgement. So you come where acknowledgement ends. Acknowledgement ends, then it ends here. We'll insert. So you will press enter depending on your keyboard. Mine it's enter. Yours may be written return. So you'll click or you'll hit the enter key or return key, let's say several times. It will able to add an extra page, a blank page. So under, you'll click on this blank page. While on this blank page, this is where we're going to insert now our table of content. So table of contents, to find it, it's usually under references tab. So you click on references tab. It will open a ribbon. On this ribbon, we have different groups. That is, we have table of contents. That's a group on its own. We have footnotes. Then we have citation and bibliography. Then we have captions. We have index. Then we have table of authorities. So right now, what we need is how to insert table of contents. So under table of contents group, we are going to select table of content feature, which is the first feature under reference tab. So we click on this arrow pointing down. It will open more features. So you have different styles on how you can on how to insert table of contents. The first one, it's this contents style, that is called automatic table 1. We have automatic table 2. Then we have the manual table. So usually automatic table 2 is the best to use as your table of content format. So what you do, just you click on this automatic table 2. As you can see, we now have a table of content which has been inserted automatically in our document. Then as you can see, it's highlighting even the number, the page numbers where the details are located in your document. For example, if you want to find declaration, we are being told it's enter page number 2, which is Roman number 2. Then we have acknowledgement, Roman 3. Then we have chapter 1, it's starting from number 1, that is Arabic number 1. Then we have introduction 2, which is on the same page. We have chapter 2, it's on page 3. We have chapter 3 on page 5, chapter 4 on page 6, and chapter 5 on page 9. So you can even confirm to check if it's telling us the truth. For example, declaration is on Roman number 2. So we come and confirm this Roman number 2 to see if it's telling the truth. So this is our page 2 or Roman number 2. As you can see, declaration is the same place where our table of content is telling us to check. So this is how you can be able to insert table of content automatically in your Microsoft Word document. And you can also be able to update your table of content just automatically, the way we've just done, the way we've just inserted it. You can also update it, automatically. So to update your table of content, each and every time you add another title in your work or in your document, you come and select, click on it. After you click on the table of content, it will highlight for you the table of contents. Then on the top of it, you'll see an exclamation mark saying update table. So you click on it just once, then it will open a dialog box which will give you two options. It's either you update page numbers only or you update the entire table. So in most cases, you select option 2, which is saying update entire table, then you click OK. That's how you'll be able to be updating your table of contents in a Microsoft Word document. So guys, thank you very much for watching and learning together with us. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. You like our videos, you comment, and even share to your friends.